Each white, plump garlic clove is separated from the bulb, gently peeled off the fragile skin, and bathed in cool, clear water. It contributes to creating a unique flavor for the dish, making family meals more warm and delicious. Imagine a magical machine, where golden potatoes are cherished and hugged in elegant trays, ready for their journey to delicious dining tables. Imagine with just one gentle movement, delicious fresh fish is transformed into thin, sticky, picturesque slices. The conveyor head cutter can be used to cut the head and tail of mackerel as well as two fillets. The red laser line makes it easy to visually identify the cutting position. In this video, you will see the fully automatic process of cutting frozen lamb chops. The clamping tool is designed according to the product to be cut, allowing for maximum loss reduction. Does your heart stop? Because we are talking about one of the most favorite dishes of all time, fish. If you are a lover of the taste of the sea, please leave a heart and comment below. If you are fed up with mincing meat and don't want to grind it, this is the meat mincing machine that will give you the solution to help your hands get rid of fatigue. Watch the cake spreader quickly create even lines of cake 3. A fiber scraper is a mechanical device used to turn solid blocks of material into thin fibers. A fiber scraper is a mechanical device used to turn solid blocks of material into thin fibers. Imagine you walk into a beautiful little shop where the scent of fresh noodles wafts in the air. The dough rolling machine uses mechanical principles to create pressure on the dough, helping to roll the dough quickly and evenly. The quail egg peeling machine operates at breakneck speed, In just a split second, the eggshell is completely separated. You will leisurely enjoy the fresh air, admire the surrounding scenery, while the machines silently complete their tasks. The flexible drive design allows for the creation of a conveyor suitable for various applications, from light snacks, various grains, baked goods, dried fruits and cereals, to frozen and wet products. Often chosen for the cheese industry, our regular wire cutting machine is specially designed to portion various types of block and round cheese without the need for ultrasonic technology. The most modern pork processing plant I have ever seen. If you like our video, please comment number 1. Shred the entire block of cheese at once. The RG400i cheese shredder shreds up to 2.9 tons of cheese per hour. Is user-friendly and easy to clean. The machine and accessories are completely stainless steel. Scott successfully designed, built and installed an efficient multi-line queuing system at the leading check dairy producer.